A very good morning to all of you. I hope you're enjoying the Monday blues because I'm enjoying them too. A quick message for everyone who wants to go through fitness, body, health transformation. Here are my 3 advices for you. These will put you in good stead to either start or restart your transformation. The first advice and the most important advice is focus more on fitness programming and goal setting rather than being too excited to actionably start your program. When you focus more on programming and goal setting more, what we understand is ourselves. We are more eager to find things and discover things which we will do for a longer time. We are more eager and we are more interested in finding a balance between our personal lifestyle, our social life, our jobs, our family, and how exercise, nutrition fits into that. So once you're focusing more on fitness programming, on goal setting, you automatically elevate yourself from other people who just focus and get inside the gym either because they are too excited or because they don't have self-belief. They think that if they can start immediately they will sustain. But you have to understand your mind is very sharp and clever. Even if you select the best gyms, if you get like a bucket full of all the best supplements and the best clothes, if your mind wants to give up, it will give up. So to combat this giving upness, we have to give the mind not many goals or many challenges initially, few challenges, so that we get into the habit of challenging ourselves and get confidence. Second part in relationship with the first part is don't give yourselves goals which are too high and extravagant too soon. See, mostly beginners, they don't have the background in transformation, in body transformation, health transformation, or in any kind of disciplined activity. And there is a wide scope of things which is happening in the background when you're undergoing a health and fitness transformation, which you don't see. Basically, you are adapting your entire life so that you can minus all your old bad habits and pick up new ones. It will take time. You will have to make a foundation level first. So initially, don't focus on the weighing scale or the inchy tape. Focus more on finding that balance and having a good foundation which you can sustain for a long time. So give yourself small goals, hit them, get confidence, and then aim higher. The third point is hire a consultation before taking a gym membership, hiring a trainer or a nutritionist, because a consultation will be cheaper and it will help you understand all the things available around you to make you get started with your fitness and health transformation. A consultant is more aware and he will ask you the right questions. He will find out more about you so that he can give you a customized setup which you can sustain for a longer time, and that will not cost you too much, because when you pay too much for a gym membership, when you invest too much in supplements, when you invest too much in programs which you are not following, what happens is that you waste money, and once money is wasted, you lose interest in your transformation. So rather than wasting too much money, take a consultation, talk to someone knowledgeable in the field. That person will not only explore the possibilities around you but the possibilities within you, because what is a health and a fitness transformation if it is not customized to your particular mind, body and soul? On that note, I hope you have a beautiful day. Mo wishes you have a beautiful day too. Take care of yourself. Stay blessed.